right, so this is how this is going to work. It's going to go a little bit faster, right? So we're going to put a little bit of stain inside this paint pan right here, right? I don't want to overload it because I don't want this stuff splashing all over the place. So again, the drip, make sure you clean it up. Lay the can onto a rag or something so if it drips, and you'll see here like some stain spilled over here, that's okay. Look, don't ever worry about that. You just rub it right into the floor here, you're fine, don't worry. Now, standard paint pole, standard, make sure you get the roller that can take stain, because you don't want the gnat or the hairs getting into your floor, right? So now watch, see how much more ground I can cover. You see that? Now look, I'll go all the way right up against the wall. I'm not worried about that couple of inches on the wall because I have moldings that are gonna cover that, right? So then I go the other way, boom. I can even touch the wall because my molding is gonna cover that. But look how nice and even, right? Look how nice the floor looks. Beautiful. And then I go back the other way, get a little bit more stain from the other side. And you know what the great thing about this is that it's going to be very forgiving. Stain is very forgiving. You just don't want globs of it in one location for too long. And then I put this down, and you'll see I go back and I take it off. You gotta be quick. You could do this by yourself, it's that easy, but it's always nice to have somebody doing this part while somebody else is putting the stain on. And that right there, folks, I'm telling you, look how much I covered already. Couple minutes. This will be done in no time. Listen to me. Do it yourself, you'll save a shit ton of money.